Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Mace Pearson again, and I'm on Twitter at MacePearson21, and I'm gonna do my second box here. Sorry for the first one taking a long time. I wasn't feeling good. I'm still not really feeling good, but it's not as bad as earlier. But yeah, there's the front of the box. There's the odds. There's the other side, and hopefully I can pull this. That'll be pretty nice for the Kris Bryant PC. But let's open this. Here we go. I went to my Target. There was like 30 of these here, and it took me twice to find these. So kind of bend it a little bit too. There's the side. 1952, huh? That's cool. I like to have a Mickey Mantle from that set. Alright. I can't show you guys this, I like to keep it. But there's the exclusive Jackie Robinson pin. And here we go. There's 101 cards in every box. And there's 10 packs. Plus one extra pack. Starting off with a Nate Jones. Got another Starling Marte. Let me know if these are variations, please. Got a Legend Robin Yount. Cool, I haven't seen one of these yet. Robinson Day of Cabrera. Pat Neeswick. He's a good TTM signer. If I get a few of those, I'm gonna get one signed. Another Alex Reyes rookie. My second one here. Admiral Sanchez. Hold on so you can guess. There we go. The whole table just shakes from that. Got a Adam Eaton. Strickland, Mercado. That's my second one too. Got a Max Scherzer League Leaders foil, rainbow foil. Got a 5-tool of Andrew Benintendi. And an MB Network of Mike Lowell. I like to have one of their autographs in a pack. Mike Trout. Rediscover Tops. That was really cool. Phillies. Dansby Swanson. This is my second one, so who was looking for this? The king of our cards. If you want this, buddy, you can have it. Alright. And I won't charge you either, I'll just give it to you. I don't care if it's a trade or not. If you want it so bad, you can have it, buddy. Alright. Got a Gallus Pedroia. Man, why am I getting a lot of duplicates here? Hopefully I get a Kris Bryant though. I got a Lester. Kluber. Got two of these. Seager and Betts. Will Myers, Jackie Robinson Day. Got Rodriguez. Be More Bobbers. That's a nice one. And I got another Wade something Pirate. Damn it, this pack's hard to open. Can somebody let me know in the comments, either in the first video or this video, Can you let me know if you could pull any hits out of these? Yeah, I don't know if they're Targets or Walmart's can do it, but please let me know. Back-to-back Yankees. I think I have Austin too. A lot of duplicates here. Got Lester. Got Tanaka. Got a Schwarber. Ooh, really nice Schwarber. Future Stars. A nice one right there. Got Drake Thompson. I got a duplicate of him now too. Ooh, David Dahl. Nice one. That's one of the rookies, the Rockies I was talking about in the first video. If you guys watched it, thank you so much. Got Scott Van Slyke, Eddie Rosario, Nelson Cruz. Alright, hold on here. A rookie. I'm not gonna. Joe Musgrove. Sorry, I was just trying to think of his name for a second. Jackie Robinson Day, Ryan Braun, Mr. PEDs, Beltray, Lucroy again, Mookie Betts, that's a nice one. He has some nice cards, including the ones that he jumps on the wall. I like Mookie Betts, he's a good player. Hopefully he does good in his future career. Another Tyler Glasnow. Oh, Will Middlebrooks, that's a nice one. Here we got our first pitch of Chris Lane. I don't know who he is. Oh, that's a nice one. David Ortiz, final Topps card. Oh, that's a nice one. Jesse Hahn. That'd be really cool for TTMs. If I got a duplicate, I would definitely send it out. I'm not gonna send that one right away because I'm trying to build a set. Every year I love to do that. Akron. Got my first gold here. Rick Porcello. These are numbers to 2017. Just a number right there. Focus, please. Hope you guys saw that. Got a Dave Roberts awards card. Hosmer, Jackie Robinson Day, Howie Kendrick. Really cool. 3 more packs until the big hit of the box. Thorbrist, Billy Butler, Jerry Cozart. Got another one of these. Then and now, Kershaw, Dansby Swanson, 87 reprint, I like to call them. Not reprint, maybe you call them that, I'm not really sure. Award card of Buster Posey, Target exclusive. Pillar. Hey, another Hayward. Come on, Bryant. Come on, Chris Bryant. Be one of these packs. Nathan Avati and Corey Rasmus. And I've been getting a lot of duplicates here. If anybody wants one, you can have one. Except if there's a TTM signer, and if I want to send it out, then never mind. Then yes, Seth Lugo, yeah, Lugo. Kershaw, really nice. That's one of the very first cards I saw while I look at the set when they're previewed online. Orlando Arcia, Ricky, Lorgana, Jack Robinson Day, Nola, Free. I don't know if that was a short print or not. I thought I saw another photo once. You got a Harper, a Schubler, And Mike Federich. Final pack. Come on, Chris Bryant. Got easier. Oh, the 69 tops reprint. Oh, flip action again. Arenado. Scherzer again. Alright, Aaron Judge, 5-tool. Richie Jackson, rookie reprint, or rediscover tops. Reynolds, 49ers. And does it look like we're going to get a Chris Bryant rookie, but alright. Not rookie, I meant. Sorry for saying that. Chris Bryant base. I don't know why I said rookie. Alright, final. Oh, there goes the tray button. Final pack. Look how gold it is. First one I got was a Manny Machado. If you guys want to see it, go check out the first video. I'm not gonna look. Miguel Sano. That's actually kind of cool. So we got some good stars out of this. There's the back again. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video. Leave a comment. Subscribe for more. I'm out. And, go Cubs go. If you guys are a fan of the Cubbies. See you guys next time.